Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make egg biryani. Okay, so I'm going to start with the onions. Chop the onions, chop them fine. So I've got 5 onions for 3 cups of rice. So that's finely chopped. I've got the oil in the wok. I'm just gonna add the onions. The onion needs to be golden brown. Okay, while the onion is frying, I'm going to boil eggs. So for this, I'm going to do about 10 eggs. Garlic. I've got 1 clove of garlic there. Yeah, the onions are now done, golden. So now I'm gonna add the tomatoes. We usually use fresh, but you know, for biryani it's best to use the tin tomatoes. You get more flavor. You get more color. So I'm using this one packed in this pack. Okay, so that's the tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add the biryani masala. It's all mixed. Everything you need for biryani masala is already in there, so it's much easier to use one of these. I need to cook that for about 5 minutes, and let the tomatoes and the onions leave the oil. So when you see the oil floating on the top, you know the tadka is done. Okay, so we'll add the eggs in. Soak the eggs in the sauce like that. I'm now going to boil the rice. So I've got water in there that's boiling. It's best to add some vinegar, about that much. Then your rice wouldn't stick. Salt. I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons. It's gonna drain out anyway. The rice has been soaked in water. I've just took the water out, and now I'm gonna put the rice in. Okay, I've just drained the water out from the rice. The rice is ready, it's boiled. I've got 1 layer there. And now I'm gonna do a layer of the rice. So put a layer of the rice, spread it. I think that should be enough. So one layer, about an inch thick. Just a bit more, and that's it. Okay, now all the remaining eggs and its sauce goes on the top. So put all of it. Okay, just put it in first before we spread it out. Okay. That's that. So evenly spread it. That. It's still hot. Now on the top of this, we'll put the rice. Okay, that's that. Okay, make sure that you spread it all over to cover all the rice, just like that. Okay, now the remaining rice, put all of it. There goes there. Okay, so that's all your rice. Okay, now you got the food color. So I've got red, so color on there. And I've got some coriander, and finally fried onions. Now you put the lid on for it to get the steam, what you call the dum. Okay, it's best to use a cloth for the dum, you know, for the steam. So we're gonna go into give it some time. Okay, I'm gonna take the cover up now. It's been on there for quite a while. Yeah, and it's done. Be careful because you got the eggs there and you don't want to crush the eggs. We need to mix it quite carefully because of the eggs. And that's your biryani done.